If Finance Minister Arun Jaitley will be here to sell the India story, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis will be selling the Maharashtra story here in Davos. Such a pleasure to talk to you, Mr. Fadnavis. You're meeting a number of delegates during your visit. Is it going beyond mere interest? Are you going to see real investments trickling into Maharashtra?
I think yes, because I met people from Japan and one of the biggest investment bankers. And they were so interested. They said they already have a presence in Mumbai. They said that they wish to partner with us to make Mumbai a financial capital. They said the time zone in Mumbai is so good that if it's properly structured, then Mumbai can become a financial capital. So everyone I'm meeting, I just met the GE people. They are so keen. They already have one facility. They wish to create few more. So India is creating a lot of interest. At the same time, Maharashtra being at the heart of India, it's creating interest more.
Right, Maharashtra clearly at the heart of India. At the same time, when you talk to global investors, they say, yes, the mood in India is very positive. We are very bullish on India. But key concerns remain. Ease of doing business. How is the Maharashtra government trying to change that for global investors so that you see real investments flowing in?
In fact, we have started focusing on ease in doing business. So we are bringing down the permissions. Earlier, in a designated industrial area, you required 76 permissions. Now we are cutting it to just 25%. Certain permissions are put on automated way. In 3 days, the permission would be given. Certain, regulations were there, like river regulation. Already when we have national river policy, you don't need another policy which is in contravention with the national policy. So yesterday itself we scrapped that policy and we adopted the national policy which could benefit the industry more, and at the same time we'll be able to save our rivers. So there are series of reforms which we are doing, and our basic focus is that India ranked 142 in the ease in doing business, and basically the primary focus is on Mumbai.
Right.
So the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi is to bring it below 50, and that's what we are working on.
But does the story of India now lie within its states? You're seeing states competing with each other, whether it's the Vibrant Gujarat Summit or the summit in Bengal. We've got Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister here as well. You're here. So is it now going to be really a battle of the states in terms of wooing investors, both domestic and global, getting them to invest in their states?
Thanks to the cooperative federalism envisaged by Honorable Prime Minister, it's a competition, but it's a fair competition. This competitiveness would make us more efficient, would make us more business friendly, would make us create more jobs, would make us have more investment. Yes, there is a certain feeling of competitiveness, but it's a positive feeling. Every state wants to do better than the other.
Sorry, sir, there's an audio problem. But Mr. Fadnavis, will India's story be a story of its states? Several states wooing investors, competing among each other, whether it's the Vibrant Gujarat or the Bengal Summit. Here in Davos also, you've got the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, you've got the Maharashtra Chief Minister here. So will it really be a story of the states now?
I think yes. That is why our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi has floated idea of cooperative federalism. So India lives in state. The Prime Minister says that Team India is Chief Ministers and the Prime Minister.
Right.
And I think it's a very positive step that all the Chief Ministers and all the states are trying to compete. It's a positive competition. It's not a negative competition. We want to have more investment. We want to create more jobs. We want to grow. We want our GSDP to grow more so that more and more taxes come to us and we can invest in the social sector. So I think India is moving in a positive direction, and with this sense of competitiveness, we are increasing our efficiency. We are doing lots of reforms on ease in doing business. So I feel that yes, India lives in states and states are competing, and it's a very positive note.
Talking about competition among states, I have to talk to you about the Gujarat and Maharashtra comparison that always comes up. Earlier, the BJP always used to say Gujarat is way ahead of Maharashtra. And now that you're here as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, how do you compare the two states and the kind of growth and development taking place?
See, it's only about the figures which we were talking. In the last economic survey, it was an investment of 11 lakh crore in Gujarat and 9 lakh crore in Maharashtra. But I'm sure with the new government and with our reform agenda and the way we are, doing reforms and doing reforms in ease in doing business, Maharashtra will lead. Maharashtra has always led in past. For last 15 years, it has lost its glory. So we will bring the past glory of Maharashtra back, and Maharashtra will be the leader.
So you're saying Maharashtra will be the leader way ahead of Gujarat. Is that correct?
See, why do you want to, have a sense of...
But it's the BJP that used to always talk about when the Congress was in Maharashtra.
There has to be a sense of competitiveness, not a sense of enmity. That I want to defeat somebody. No, I don't want to defeat somebody. I want to take my state forward. I want to make my state #1 state of India, and I'll try to do that.
But that cannot happen without beating Gujarat to it, right?
No. Why just Gujarat? I don't know why are you singling out Gujarat.
Right.
It has to be ahead of every state. And see, it's a fact that my state contributes most in the GDP, in the national GDP.
Sure.
So if my state develops beyond 10%, then only India can grow beyond 8%. So basic focus is to take my state forward so that India goes forward.
Right. I have to also quickly talk to you about some reports suggesting some sort of, issues raised by the Environment Minister with regard to changes that you're looking at bringing about. What is the merit in some of those reports? Is there some sort of a, divided opinion there?
No, I don't think, because yesterday when we actually changed the RRZ policy,
right,
it was a policy which came from the Environment Minister and we adopted it. So there is no difference of opinion.
He's on board with all the changes you brought about.
Absolutely on the board.
All right, Mr. Fadnavis, you have a packed schedule ahead. Tell us about some of the important meetings you'll be holding. Are you meeting top global investors here, getting them to invest in Maharashtra?
Yeah. I'm meeting a lot of people. I've met GE. I'm meeting Credit Suisse. I'm meeting Pepsi. I'm meeting. You name it and I'm meeting.
All right, we're going to end it there. You name it. And the Maharashtra Chief Minister will be meeting that top investor, global investors, telling them that Maharashtra is the place to be in. With camera person Arif Radu, this is Shweta Rajpal Kohli reporting from Davos for NDTV.